Hi guys, welcome to Be Alive. If you are trying to reduce weight and still want to enjoy some snack, then keep watching this video. I'm going to share a healthy low calorie snack. You can eat it as much as you want and still you won't gain any weight. It has healthy ingredient and it will satisfy your hunger. So let's begin. For ingredients, we need 200 grams of roasted gram, 150 gram lotus seed, 200 gram puffed rice, 1 teaspoon dry mango powder, 2 teaspoon jaggery powder, half a teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon coconut oil and 50 gram to start the recipe. On a heated pan and a low flame, I am roasting lotus seed for 4 to 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, they will turn little golden and crispy. I'll take them out in a bowl. Now I'll do the same process for roasted gram, but they will take only 1 minute for roasting. Here I am roasting puffed rice. Puffed rice will also take only 1 minute for roasting. Peanuts are optional in this recipe, but as I am adding them, so I will roast peanuts as well. Now in a heated pan, add coconut oil, let it melt and put curry leaves in a hot oil. They'll make a crackling sound. Next you can add turmeric powder and dry mango powder. In this whole process, keep the flame low. Keep adding ingredients. So I've already added peanuts and then roasted grams. Keep stirring and then add lotus seed. Mix them well. For a sweet taste, I'm adding jaggery powder. Keep mixing. And at last, add the puffed rice and then mix the whole mixture. Keep stirring. Sprinkle salt as per your taste. Savoury is ready. It's looking great and it was very tasty. I'll enjoy this snack with green tea. It is very filling and very healthy snack. hope you enjoy this video and you'll try the recipe. Please subscribe my channel for more videos on healthy eating.